Okay, amazing. I'm going to record this session for you to have a kind of how can I say this? Access to this video on YouTube. So if you want to go back and forward, so you will have the same recommendations right here to access to the recommendations, right? So that's it. Okay, be my guest. Tell me, show me.
Teacher, I have a question.
Would you mind to
Now,
raise up the volume of your what of your microphone? It's kind of difficult for me
let
to
me.
listen.
Okay, so I am filling the validation chart,
Yeah.
right? I
Okay.
I almost finished, but I have a question. So I have to. Well, we have to like create a chart for every observation. If the purpose of every observation is different, we
Yeah.
have to create
Yes,
different charts.
absolutely. So if you have to what to create three sessions, let's say three sessions related to observations. So all the observations they are going to have different protocols or different like I don't know objectives or items. So they need to be attached over there, right? So as three different instruments
Ah, okay, okay,
because they're going
okay.
to have a different
Eh,
focus.
yeah, that was my point.
Okay. What else?
Let me check here. Um, in the part of like general information, where it says name, last name of the person who is validating the instrument, we have to fill that, or the person who is going to check the instrument is going to do that,
Let me
the
check right
information.
here. Are you using your computer?
Yes.
Can you share the screen, please, for me to check it?
Uh, Let me see what is the option.
Left part, lower, and there's going to be over something like a hand, and next to it, you have compartir pantalla.
Right. I
Okay,
think
amazing. Okay, cool.
this
That
this
part,
part.
yeah, that part
Yeah.
related to información general. So over there, nombre completo del estudiante. I would say all your names. So if you have two names,
Full
put two names. If you have two last names, two last names, right? So for example, my name is Daniel Ricardo Pedraza Ramirez, so you're going to put them over there, right? Okay, nice. Viviana, Andrea, and Giovanni Andres. Amazing. You're connected. You mind to go to the first page, please?
first page.
First page.
Yes.
Okay, okay, over there. So Pamplona, April the 16th. Now, change that date, so the date in which you're going to send that, okay? Now,
Yeah.
professor, the name of the teacher, and as a suggestion, I would say something like the scholar part that he or she holds. Example, if it is going to be a master's degree, a doctorate, or if it is just going to be a bachelor degree, everything, right? For example, in my case,
Right.
it's going to be magister in master in multilingual communication and knowledge management, right?
Right.
Okay, scroll down at the end of that first page, please. Okay. At the end of that, so both Viviana and you need to add your digital signature, right?
Yes.
So you have to copy and paste it. And at the end, you're going to put my signature, right? So you put my signature, you put my name, right?
Over here.
Yeah, over there. So you put my signature and then my name, then Ricardo Peraza Ramirez,
And
right?
signature.
Magister en Comunicación Multilingüe y Gestión de Conocimiento.
Magister.
En
Español, no hay problema.
comunicación multilingüe y gestión de conocimiento. If not, I'm going to send it that in English, okay? Not to worry.
Okay.
Ok, multilingüe, diéresis en la U, tilde en la última I,
Es,
gestión con
yeah,
tilde en la O,
es,
de conocimiento. No, del
de,
no, de conocimiento.
okay,
Del no, de conocimiento. Okay.
conocimiento,
And then, in the following line, tutor o asesor del proyecto.
okay.
Mhm.
So, I
So,
have your signature in some document. Can you send
very
me
good. So, copy and
like
paste it.
paste it there? Okay. So, well, that's it for this page. Wait, I have a question. How many experts do we have to send it?
Send
Like
it to
two?
three experts because we are going to require.
Can you be included?
Yes, yes, but I'm going to be the inner validator, the inner expert. Now we need
Okay,
external experts, right?
right. But here, so this you didn't ask me, answer me. We have to fill it, or the expert is going
I
to
think
write it?
you can feel it. You can feel it, right? So you're going to put the name of the expert, the scholar or the academic experience that he has or she has, right? So it's going to be a bachelor degree, specialist, master, or doctorate, right?
Yeah.
Then cargo, I think is going to be, for example, in my case, it's going to be docente tiempo completo ocasional. But for example, if you're going to send it to Miriam Gomez or I don't know, let's say, for example, Magdalena Martinez, they are profesores de tiempo completo, right?
Right.
So that's the difference. The hour and the date, the one you're going to send it to them, right?
Right. Okay. Well, here I think it's clear. The objectives, methodology, population. Uh, Here we have like the questions. Here, criteria. We have the
Okay, over there, criteria. So the criteria related to what an interview is, right? What is it? No, no, no. Let me see right here. What Johnny? No, it wasn't Johnny. It was. No, the criteria you have. The reason why you have selected the what? The the reason why you have selected the interview, right? And then interview, what kind of interview you have selected, and then you're going to use a little bit of a little description about that and the objective that you have chosen for it to be there.
in this definition. Can we use the one we have inside the project?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Well, that is this. Same here for the questionnaire and here.
Okay.
So we have to feel like if there are going to be three observations, we
So
have
there
to
are going to be okay.
em-
So three ideas
emphasize.
are going to be like this: one observation, one chart, right?
Okay,
Or the second
right.
idea could be all the questions, but as you have different objectives for the different observations, so I said it's going to be just one chart per observation.
Okay, one chart per observation. This is this is for the expert, right? This part.
Okay, over there, there's going to be some changes. So
This
right
is the
here,
expert.
yo, the expert, right? Dejan constancia, asesor. In this case, so my name, so Daniel Ricardo Perez Ramirez, and the name of the expert. Que una vez revisado y evaluado este instrumento es pertinente, válido y suficiente para recolectar la información requerida en el desarrollo de los objetivos investigativos del proyecto que lleva por título The Name of Your Project, de lo de los estudiantes, los o las estudiantes, en este caso serían los, de, del curso Proyecto de Investigación en Lengua Extranjera del octavo semestre del programa de licenciatura en lenguas extranjeras, inglés francés de la Universidad de Pamplona. So that's going to be the way in which we're going to correct that, okay?
Here and
The program. De la cohorte no, because we're not working on cohortes, we're working on del curso, right? Proyecto, proyecto de investigación en lenguas extranjeras.
proyecto extranjeras. Mm, here semester or is it not necessary?
Del octavo semestre, yes.
Semestre de la Universidad de Pamplona. El programa de licenciatura en lenguas extranjeras. Ok. Evaluar como instrumento. Okay, so here we have to like paste again your signature or that's going to be
Yes.
after.
No, yeah, no, you're going to paste it again.
Okay. Well, that was it for this this part. I think it's clear for me now.
Okay, very good. So any question, let me know. Don't forget to upload the information required or yeah, required for you to add inside the assignments in Edmodo, right?
Right. Teacher, another question.
Yep.
Related to the letter you write on the group to send you through email. What is going to be the letter about?
Ah, okay. It's going to be a what? It's going to be a formal email, right?
Mm.
So, for example, you start like the letter does. For example, Pamplona, let's say April 24th of 2020. Dear, and then the name of the expert. So, in this case, could be any expert, right? And then you're going to put the scholarship over there, the scholarity, right? And then you're going to write a full review about your your research, right? Your project, right? So
Yeah.
I think you can use the summary, okay? And
Okay.
then you're going to tell what the validator or the expert the reason why you're writing to him or to her, right? So the reason why for me to write you or for us to write you this email is related for you to validate or to be for you if you're able to validate the or no for the possibility for you to validate our research instruments by
Mhm.
taking into account that they're going to be divided or yeah or they have been chosen into these ones and then you put which ones you have chosen. Then you have to talk about the population, the participants, and the way you're going to choose the sample, right?
Right.
And you're going
Uh,
to put your names down there. You're going to send that to the expert, and also you're going to send me a copy to this email.
right. So, teacher, can you post again the list of the experts you upload some time ago? I can't find it.
Okay, I'm going to look. I'm going to look for it on what on WhatsApp. That
Yes.
that the information is there, and that's all, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so see you later.
Yeah, that'd be it. So,
Okay, I'm going to try to send it as sooner as I can, and I'll just try to send it now,
okay, teacher.
and that's all. Okay, so
Well, Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Bye bye.